The graph GRT coin just hit 40 cents, guys. Welcome back to the channel. The graph is now up 218% in the last year. And we've been talking about GRT, guys, way back here. Back in October of last year, we were less than 10 cents when we were talking about what GRT does in terms of querying data for Web3, similar to what Google does. A little bit different, obviously, but in terms of what this does for the AI crypto sector and really, it's an infrastructure type play, GRT, with their subgraph technology. And that's one of the big reasons why I started investing in GRT. I've been talking about it for a long time now. Now, keep in mind, we have been flying up the charts. There will be some ups and downs. The market pulls back, but I'm looking at the long-term outlook here for the graph. And really, when I say long-term, I'm looking at GRT at the top of this bull run. I have profit-taking strategies for GRT when we get into altcoin season. I don't think we're there yet. Many people believe that the biggest gains, if history repeats itself, will be when? Well, 15-ish months after the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is not until next month. We're witnessing these gains right now as just a slow recovery from our lows throughout the bear run. Okay, this is just the beginning, in my opinion, of altcoins running up. There will be pullbacks along the way, but you also have to ask yourself, what are your goals here with GRT? What are your profit-taking strategies? And it's tough because a lot of people will ask right now, is it too late? And my answer would be, it's not too late if you have a longer term time horizon, or if you think the graph is going to go back to all-time highs, which was set, in February 2021 when it hit $2.88. And again, the AI sector is filled with opportunities from the graph, render, which who knows? Render might be getting ready to partner with NVIDIA. March 18th is a big date to watch because that's NVIDIA's big conference. A lot of the AI cryptos will be there. We know SingularityNet has been recently crushing it. That's a partner with Cardano, Fetch AI. Some of these big players, Tau, there are just great opportunities in this entire sector, both big caps, mid caps, small caps. But when I'm looking at my AI crypto portfolio, the graph is kind of one that is just an anchor in there because I firmly understand what they bring to the table, and they've been here for a while. They're listed on the top tier exchanges, Binance and Coinbase. Those are the two we always want to look at first, right? But if you're not familiar with what they do, just a quick little background. They're an indexing protocol for querying data for networks like Ethereum, powering many applications in both DeFi and broader Web3 ecosystem. So right here, this is what I mean when I say it's kind of an infrastructure play. Anyone can build and publish open APIs, which they call subgraphs, that applications can then query using GraphQL to retrieve blockchain data. There's a hosted service in production that makes it easy for developers to get started building on the graph. And if you believe in the future of Web3 and DeFi, well, the graph may be one that is very intriguing to you because, again, it's an infrastructure type play. Now, from a price standpoint, this most recent run kind of started back on February 14th. I just put a video out on Gala Games. It's interesting because when I look at those two charts and a lot of altcoin charts, this momentum up signal that you see here happened on the 14th. Very similar to what happened on the 14th with Gala and many altcoins. This is my indicator, XT Algo, calling it out. Basically, if you had an alert set for the graph using my trading indicator, you would have been alerted on a momentum up, which is essentially, hey, you may want to look at this as a possible entry point. We could be getting ready to start a big uptrend. Well, it flashed on the 14th. Since that time frame, over the last 24 days, the graph is up 121%. So if you guys want to know when cryptos like this are getting ready to break out, at least give you guys the best opportunity to get in before this happens, XT Algo is a tool for you. There's a huge discount code right now, and you can sign up starting today. Check out all the links down below. When you do purchase, you'll have a step-by-step guide on how to get started. So the graph is leading the way, but if we go back out and we could see here, the meme coins have been crushing it. We love meme coins. We're playing that market as well, but more long-term plays is in the AI sector for me, right? So you've got WorldCoin making huge gains right now as well. We've talked about WorldCoin on the channel. We've made some successful trades with WorldCoin. Here's the graph right here. SingularityNet. You're looking Fetch AI. The AI crypto sector has continued to pump, and you have to have a profit-taking strategy. I have been crushing it with AI cryptos, but slowly taking profits for months now, okay? And I also have long-term goals with a lot of these as well. Here's Render, another top mover right now in the AI sector. Arweave, another top AI crypto moving. And we're getting really close to March 18th, which is a big date for the NVIDIA and AI conference. So keep your eyes on that. There could be some big news coming out there. But please, please, please have a plan in place when we see these major gains, whether it's with the graph or Singularity Net. Slowly taking profits along the way is how I like to usually play it here. And that's what I've been doing in the AI sector. But these are long-term plays as well, meaning I'm not going to be selling all my positions because I think overall we're going to be going higher with the graph, GRT, and other major top AI cryptos as we move into this full bull run. So maybe your goal is just to wait until 2025, and that's okay too. Just have a strategy in place so you're ready to take full advantage of these markets. But it's great to see the graph hitting 40 cents. We haven't seen this in a really long time, well over a year. We've got to go, basically all the way back to 2022, guys. In April of 2022 is the last time we've seen these prices, okay, for the graph. So that speaks volumes in terms of how far we've come and just how big this AI push has been with NVIDIA, of course, leading the way. And I don't think this narrative is going away, and that can only help the graph GRT. We know that investors on the retail side, they invest in what's hot. They invest in, what's the flavor of the month. And the good thing about AI cryptos, I think it's going to be a flavor of the month, if you will, or a flavor of the season. I think it's going to be a flavor of this bull run. And I'm looking for the best bets. And the graph has been one of those for me. Let me know down below if you were here when we were talking about the graph when it was less than 10 cents. Because nobody wanted to touch these AI cryptos when everything was down and out. But we were saying, hey, this is where a ton of opportunities exist. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next big AI push or the next big crypto push. We're here every single day, bringing you guys up to speed on what's going on. As always, do your own due diligence, but I'm happy to see the graph making some moves. And of course, XT Algo, links down below. If you want to get ready for this big bull run with AI cryptos and gaming and layer ones, know when things are getting ready to break out, using a trading indicator like this can be a great tool for you. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Thank you so much again for being a loyal listener. I've had so many new people coming to the channel as well. And I can't thank you guys enough for your support here. I'm here every single day grinding and working for you guys, but I absolutely love it. Wouldn't change this for the world. And you guys just need to know how much I truly appreciate it. And we're going to continue to create generational wealth in this bull cycle. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, folks. So take full advantage. Check out that discount code with XT Algo too, because these prices are a lot less when you apply the discount code link down below. We'll see you